Hello guys, welcome to the wonderful company Sky Ocean. This company is give you the opportunity to earn lots of money. The website is skyocean.live. This company open lots of option for you in crypto market. Crypto market is now at the peak time. Sky Ocean give you the platform to earn lots of money on crypto. This company have many year of experience and this company is registered in UK. Company have the all legal license, taxation document. Company have certificate of incorporation. The company director name is Mr. MJ Peterson, recorded as company registered office here in UK. This company was launched in December in 2020 and this opened the lots of opportunity in India. More than 25,000 members already joined this system. This will give you the wonderful opportunity to here earn lots of income. So guys, every company is providing you a platform, but this is the current platform right now with two big events, 23 crores plus payout given to the users. This company provide you daily withdrawal facility, and the next token of this company, which is Sky Ocean decentralized token, launched on 19th March. This token gives you the lots of income. Your income will be multiplied. What you invest, you get lots of money. Sky Ocean also going to launch NFT non-fungible token at e-commerce platform. So guys, this is the wonderful opportunity for you. Here two types of income given by the company. One is direct income, second is binary income. This improve your financial situation. Now understand the plan. How can we earn? Here 10% is the direct income given by the company. Same day you can withdraw that direct income anytime. Sky Ocean provide the joining package here $100, which is average of Indian currency rupees 500 rupees. Daily ROI here 0.5%. Withdrawal on Monday to Friday here available. The next package provided by the company is the higher one, which is $250, 18,750 rupees as Indian currency. Daily ROI here 0.75%. Withdrawal on Monday to Friday available all the time. The next higher package is $500, which is equal to 37,500 Indian rupees. Daily ROI here 1%. Withdrawal here Monday to Friday anytime. The next joining package here $1,000, which is 75,000 Indian rupees. Daily ROI here 1.5%. Withdrawal time Monday to Friday, anytime you can withdraw your money. 10% admin charge collect by the company from all the users at all the packages. Now come to on binary income. Here 10% is the binary matching income given by the company. For example, you are the user and you get left and right two members, 10% you get here, and daily withdrawal available for binary income. Some capping limit condition for the binary income for different packages. For package $100, limit is $1,000 daily. For $250 package, $2,500 daily capping limit. For $500 package, $10,000 daily capping limit. Similarly, for $1,000 unlimited capping daily here. Now terms and condition, admin charge, which I told you 10% here, daily binary closing, re-top up of package required after capping. So this is the condition of this plan. This is the registered banks and offices of the company. You can visit anytime. Bank Street Building, Khalid bin Walid Road, Al Makhul, Dubai. This is the registered office of the company in UK, from where the company get registered have incorporation certificate. The address is London. You can visit anytime. If you have any contact, you can directly get in touch from there. So guys, all the things is mentioned in the description. Please check. Thank you.